the Palace of Versailles. Location, Versailles, France. Best time to visit, spring, April to June, and autumn, September to November. The Palace of Versailles was the royal residence of French kings from the 17th to the 18th century. Built during the 17th century, it exemplifies grandeur and extravagance, featuring breathtaking architecture, meticulously landscaped gardens, and lavish interior decorations. The palace served as the seat of political power under King Louis XIV, known as the Sun King. Historical significance: one of the finest and best preserved examples of Baroque architecture.